and this will depend on whether you want the light to be first or last in the circuit. We're going to be using the color coding and terminology for North America in this video. If you need another region, then do check out our other videos. Remember, electricity is dangerous and can be fatal. You should be qualified and competent to carry out any electrical work. Now for this circuit, we're going to be using a single pole switch. Now these are the most simple type of switch. They have 2 terminals and a ground connection. Inside the switch is a track which carries the electricity. We can flip the toggle to make or break the circuit and control the flow of electricity. The first version we're going to look at is when the switch is located first in the circuit. For this design, you're going to need a switch box, some 2-wire cable, some wire nuts, a sealing box as well as a lamp. I've left some links down below in the video description for where you can pick these items up for cheap. So, with the power turned off, we run the black hot wire to the bottom terminal of the switch. Then we run another hot wire over to the sealing box and into the light fitting. Next we bring our white neutral wire in and connect this into our wire nut within the switch box. We then run another white neutral wire from the wire nut into the sealing box and then into the light fitting. To make the circuit safe, we bring our ground wire and connect this into a wire nut within the switch box. We then run a ground wire from the ground terminal of the switch and connect this into the wire nut. We can then run another ground wire from the sealing box and connect this into the ground wire nut also. The switch is currently off, but when we power the circuit, electricity can reach the switch, but it can't pass across because the switch is open. But when we flip the switch into the on position, the circuit is now complete and electricity can flow through the light to power it, and then it can make its way back to the breaker panel. If you want to learn how the hot, ground and neutral wire work, then we've covered this in great detail